Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a repair haul and basically just going through this magical bin full of items that I need to fix from around the house, and we're going to be repairing some of them. Maybe you might learn something, and maybe you'll be bored as heck, and maybe this will be some sort of meditation for you. So we'll see. Let's get started. So first up is this piece of art that my daughter and I created together. So it's obviously Jack and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. Anyway, I burned the design and my daughter did the honors of painting the background. And I believe we did this for Father's Day last year for my husband. And I just never got around to actually putting a hook on the back so we could hang it on the wall. So as you can see here, I just flip it over, find the spot where I want to put it. I have a little package of different types of picture hangers, so I'm going with the clasp option right now. And then I just with my drill, pop that in the back, and voila, it is complete. Next up is this fa la 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 llama. Yes, we have Christmas artwork on our walls. Anyway, we used to have it up and it fell because it doesn't actually have a picture hanger on it, so I will be placing a picture hanger on there as well. I had to turn my canvas because obviously it's covered in paint, so it's hard to see the measurements. But if you've never done this before, you just kind of find the center point, place your bracket, mark where the holes are going to be, and then I like to use like a nail or screw and kind of press into the holes before I start. It just gives somewhere for the screw to kind of latch into pretty quickly because these are really short screws and sometimes they can take a minute to catch on, but same idea, just drill it in and then you're done. Voila. Let's get that out of there because it's not quite Christmas time yet, not that that stops us. Moving on, next up is my daughter's favorite headband, but for some reason she keeps pulling the thing out, so I'm just gonna do a really quick sew job and get it attached in so she can't keep pulling it out. When you're working with headbands like this, you just really want to line up all of the seams so you can kind of keep them together and hide them. So it's just a matter of straightening out the fabric, pulling off dog hair because there's inevitably going to be dog hair in this house. And then just sliding it back in, making sure everything is even, and then it's just a matter of sewing it in. And of course I use black thread just because I want it to disappear. And I mostly use like a ladder stitch just so stitches would really disappear into it. That's it. Easy peasy, all done. And now it is toddler proof. I hope for like a week. Okay, moving on. Speaking of toddler proofing, this is my daughter's favorite stuffed animal this week. It's Kitty, who is a cat. I know, it's a very creative name. And she has a little hole worn in her arm. Now, ironically, we have 3 versions of this cat because it is literally her favorite toy. But we're trying to prolong its life as long as possible. You know, 9 lives and all that. So just using some gray thread and gonna patch up that little hole real fast. It was a pretty tiny hole, like I couldn't get close enough for you to actually see the hole because it was so small. I think I could fit my pinky into it. So anyway, bye Kitty. Okay, racing into the screen is my daughter's car. Do you see a theme yet? She has broken off one of the side mirrors, so really easy repair job of super gluing the mirror back in, which is a matter of gluing it and then holding it for all of eternity. Well, it's like 30 seconds, but it feels like eternity when your toddler's standing behind you going, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Is it done yet? No, just me? Alright. Bye car. Zoom zoom. And to complete the seam, the last repair job I will be doing today is these little bows. Also my toddler's. Yep, she's hard on things. Could be because she's 4. Could be other things too. Anyway, I'm just dabbing hot glue and gluing the bows back to the clips. Quick and easy, all done. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me today. This was kind of a random but fun video. gave me a nice excuse to actually get into the fix-it box and complete a few projects. So I'll probably do this again sometime and maybe actually get through the fix-it box. Wish me luck. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed it, let me know. If you didn't enjoy it, let me know. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can be in the know. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.